So we're going over problem 1 from the practice test. And in this one, we're given a piecewise function, right? It's defined in two pieces. A and B are constants, right? Here's A, here's B. We're told that this function is continuous, and so is its derivative at x equals 1. We want to find the value of A and B, all right? So let's start with continuous. If a function is continuous, then the limit as x approaches A from the left of this function will equal the limit as x approaches A from the right of this function, and that will also be equal to the function evaluated at this point, right? In this particular problem, A is 1, and this function takes care of right and left, right? So we can actually just write one simple one that says limit as x approaches 1 from the left, and we want to see is that going to equal the limit as x approaches 1 from the right. And again, this one here is the same as f of a because it has the or equal to symbol, right? We can evaluate the limit by direct substitutions. We're going to plug in 1 to that first equation. It's going to be 1 minus 2, 1 squared minus 2, equals, if I plug in 1 to the bottom equation, I get a plus b. Therefore, we know that a plus b must equal negative 1. Right? So we have an equation. We're not done yet. Next, it says that the derivative is also continuous, right? So let's find what would the derivative of this function look like. Well, it'd be 2x for the first one. It would be a for the second one, right? So this is when x is less than 1. This one x is greater than or equal to 1. And so we do the same thing, right? Like the limit as x approaches 1 from the left of the derivative must equal the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of the derivative. And so in this case, it's 2 times 1 must equal a. Therefore, a equals 2. Once you know that a equals 2, you can take that a and plug it in over here. And therefore, b is negative 3. Right? So you have your a value and your b value. All right? That is it for that question. It's only worth 5 marks. Question 2 is this guy. Let me try to put him. Actually, I'll make a separate video for question 2.